Ethereum has once again rejected structure resistance on this broadening triangle pattern, and it looks to me like we may be heading down at this point. Now I'm going to lead you through some data today showing you where I think Ethereum's heading next. Let's jump into it. Here we are on the Trade Confident.io website. I'm going to scroll down to Ethereum, and I'm excited to announce that we have a brand new order for the metrics. No new metrics were added or changed or anything like that, just the order of them. We just felt that this workflow was going to be more consistent and more fluid for our users. So without further ado, starting out with the Ethereum Emotional Index. Ethereum yesterday pushed into greedy territory. Most often when we see this, like right here, and not quite right here, but in those times, that's where we're seeing moves back down in the market, and that is exactly what we're seeing today. This is very, very exciting. As a trader, you're going to want to be paying attention to the emotions of the market. This is going to lead you and show you what the rest of the market is feeling. Trading really is an emotional game. And moving on, and on that point, we're going to take you to the volatility breakout detector. This is going to show the emotional volatility of all the traders in the market. Right now, Ethereum has been moving fairly steadily upwards, and most often when we see steady moves for a little bit of time, this is where we see low volatility. However, after low volatility, like we see right here and right here, that is where high volatility comes in. This is where we're seeing the massive impulse moves in the market that we have seen repeatedly over the past couple of months. Now that we've been sitting in low volatility for some time, I am expecting some impulse moves in the market. This metric will tell us whether or not we should be expecting big moves. However, it will not tell you which direction it's going to head, and that's what we need to check out the other metrics for. From a whale smart money perspective, it looks like short trade sentiment is more likely. More likely than not, whales, after seeing a massive move up here, are going to be looking to take short trades to profit off the next move down, and when whale money moves into the market, we all know that's where the price is very likely to go. Now, yesterday we got very close to the negative 800 reading that is required for moves down, and of course we saw that move down to correlate with it. There is still strong short trade sentiment, and because of that, I think this move down could actually continue. Next up is Ethereum major support and resistance, and on this chart, the first major support we have is 1,742, and I think that level is what we should be looking at if the price does move down. Next up is the Ethereum long versus short trades. This shows long trades are still higher than short trades, so in the long term, this is still likely to be bullish, but in the short term, based on the other metrics, I think a move down is possible. Last but not least is the Ethereum daily trade scanner. Now we got some beautiful sell signals right here, move down, right here, a little bit of a move down, sell signal, move down, sell signal, move down. And at this point, after peaking right here, I wouldn't be shocked on this candle tomorrow to see a sell signal posted. And if we do, that all but ensures a move down in Ethereum. Now, you're going to want to be keeping track of these metrics, especially, honestly, the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. This is going to be extremely important to pay attention to. So if you want to get access to these Ethereum metrics, you're going to want to grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, hit show more, and the membership will be under the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Now, Ethereum is covered under our basic access license. It's $29 a month. You get access to 10 coins worth of metrics. Again, Ethereum is included. However, I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month, and this is because it includes all 20 coins on our website worth of metrics. It includes members-only content with future forecast and Zoom coaching every single month. It includes the Morning Brew overview, where we're going to be accumulating all of our website's data in one place for you every single morning, and access to scalping trades that are currently 10 wins, 0 losses. No matter what you choose, just click subscribe now, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. As I said in the introduction, we have rejected this structure resistance, this ascending structure resistance on the broadening triangle pattern. We did get a small breakout to the upside right here, but it did not last. Again, this was rejected. At this point, we do have a little bit of structure support that we are currently maintaining, at least at $1,857, right about here. With that in mind, the price versus well money flow is super high. It's at 65, and most often we're looking for a metric value of about 70, which is about right here, and I would consider that, at least from the recent moves on the price versus well money flow, the low volatility, I would consider 65 pretty darn close. And with that, especially with the trend exhaustion in the very top red section, it just touched that. So if we get that trend exhaustion in the top, that price versus well money flow in the top, if there is a sell signal right here tomorrow, these three signals right here combine to show the most bearish sentiment possible from our indicators. If we see whales moving money out of this market, and that would be shown by this green line moving downwards, more than likely we'll see the price follow it, because because again, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. As the price versus whale money flow goes down, as the price itself goes down, we'll be looking for the trend exhaustion to fall into its inner or outer bottom red sections. Once we see these two signals and we are near structure support, that will be our next target and possible next entry for Ethereum. Now, the first place I'm looking for this to happen is right about here at 1,789. We saw this on the metric chart. However, we could actually go a lot further down. I think as far down as 1,714 could be very likely for Ethereum for this move down. No matter what though, I'm just paying attention to the indicators. I'm watching for the price versus whale money flow to drop. I'm watching for the trend exhaustion to drop. I'm watching for any buy signals that may appear. If we see those and we're near structure support, that could be the next possible entry right here or right here for the next move up. You're going to want to be paying attention to these indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. I can give you access to all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. And let me show you how to do that. You're going to want to head down to the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. Just go ahead and scroll down for the best possible deal. You're going to want to purchase the bundle pack first, as this will include the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow indicators, as well as 7 more for you to use. The trend dashboard here is absolutely astonishing. It actually combines 6 traditional indicators into one. Included in that bundle pack will also be a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. With that $400 off coupon, purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators will actually be cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. And no matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. And you will not be alone. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, and $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely crushing it with these indicators. Again, links down below in the description for both the membership and the indicators. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.